Delhi is all set to shed its drab image and become a nightlife haven. Bars open till 3 am, takeaway for draught beer. Delhi has rolled out a new liquor policy. And here's what all will change in the capital with the new policy. The policy allows microbreweries to supply draught beer to bars and also provide takeaway services. Wherever draught beer is being served as a takeaway, clear signage and information will be needed to put up about its short shelf life, and the bottles will have to mention the expiry date clearly. It also stated that draught beer shall also be allowed to be served at permitted events, banquet halls that have temporary licenses. The new policy also recommends serving of liquor in open spaces such as terrace, balcony at licensed hotels and restaurants. With the new policy, the government is looking to exit retail trade of liquor. Live Mint has reported that this might lead to closure of state-run liquor shops, and private players will be promoted with the new policy. Keeping in view the COVID protocols, crowding outside event or pavement shall be prohibited, and buying through a counter will not be allowed. With the new policy in place, bars in hotels, restaurants and clubs will be able to operate till 3 in the morning. Stakeholders say that progressive policies are set to change the way Delhi parties. Some even believe that Delhi could well become India's nightlife capital in the long run. The new policy, however, does not mention anything about reducing the legal drinking age. It had been approved in May but was not notified up until now. The Delhi government expects to see a 20% increase in its revenue with the implementation of the new policy.